Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Tirupavai Pasaram number 15. We are all Sri Vaishnavats. One of the important qualities of Sri Vaishnavats is given in this Pasaram. That is why I am taking this Pasaram. Pasaram number 15 of Tirupavai is Yelle Ilangiliye. So if anybody has got remembrance, you can unmute and you can recite now. You can recite Yelle Ilangiliye.
வல்லை உன் கட்டுரைகள் பண்டே உன் வாயிடும் வல்லீர்கள் நீக்கிலே நானே தான் ஆயிடுக உள்ளே நீ போக உனக்கென்ன வேறுடையை எல்லாரும் போந்தாரோ போந்தார் போந்தெண்ணி கொள் வல்லாரை கொன்றானை மாற்றாரை மாற்றலிக்கு வல்லானை மாயம் பாவேலோ என்பதாய்.
That's very nice, fantastic from Ditya. Very good. So this is very important pasaram. Yelle Ilangiliye. You all know Andal is starting her Tirupavai. She wants to go to Lord Krishna and she wants to take a boon from Lord Krishna. So she doesn't want to go alone. She is taking all other Gopikas with her. So this is the 15th Pasaram and the 10th and last Pasaram of invoking the Gopikas. So in this, one of the Gopikas is woken up and she is asked to join. So she is saying Yelle Ilankiliye. She is calling that Gopika who is inside the house. All the others are outside the house. So they are all calling Yelle Ilankiliye. This Gopika is very, very cute. So and she is very, very young. So Ilam Kiliye, she is talking very nicely. So that is why they call it Ilankiliye. Innam urangudiyo, you are still sleeping. So like that they are asking. So in this Pasaram, there is a good story Andal has given. So that is why I have taken this story. So those who are outside, they are speaking something. The girl who is inside, she is replying. So both this side and that side, both reply are there. In that there is a story, and that is why it is easy for us to understand the story as well as the Sri Vaishnava concept behind the story. So the group outside is calling Yelle Ilankiliye. Hello, young parrot-like damsel, are you fast asleep even now? They are asking. Innam urangudiyo? Then inside the girl is replying, Chillandalayin min nangaimir podargindren. She is saying, don't be harsh. And in calling me, oh girls, I am come. You are girls of higher standard, and I am just now coming. Then from the outside, the girls are again replying, Vallai un katturaigal pande un vayaridum. They say, you can talk well, so your speech is so good, but you are not coming out. So they are saying, they are complaining that you are speaking well, but you are not acting. So then the girl inside, she says, Vallirgal ningale nanedan aiduga. These words are told by the girl from inside. She says, Vallirgal ningale, you are the only guys who are talking very nicely, not me. Then immediately she realizes it is not good to accuse the Sri Vaishnavas, and she says, immediately takes back her word and she says, Nanedan Aiduga. This is very important word. Nanedan Aiduga means, yes, as you said, I am the one who is talking too much. Yes, I will come and I will join with you. Then the group outside, they say, Ollaini podai unakkenna verudayai. They say, Ollai, fast you come out. Don't be different. Join us together. Then the girl inside says, Yellarum pondaro. She is asking, Yellarum pondaro. Yellarum pondaro means whether all the friends have come already. She is asking. Then the girls outside say, Pondar ponden nikol. Yeah, come outside and count yourself. You can count whether all the guys have come. If there is anybody missing, you can check. Come and check. So they are telling like that. Then they are telling outside girls, they are telling again, Vallane, Kondrane, Matrare, Matraika Vallane, Mayane, Padelo, Rembavai. So they say, we will go all together and we will recite, we will sing about Mayan, the Krishna, Vallane, Kondrane, the one who killed the Yane, the elephant, Kuvalayapitam Yane Kondravan, Matrare, Matrarika Vallane. So the one who is against the enemies, Mayanai, he is also a Mayan. Padelor Embavai. To sing him, we will all come together. So in this, the most important word is Naneda Naidaga, which says that it's better not to accuse other Sri Vaishnavas rather than taking it on ourselves. This is one good quality which is told by our acharyas as important quality for Sri Vaishnavas. And you can see there are two more words in that pasuram. Pondar Pondennikol, Yellarum Pondaro. So in this Yellarum Pondaro means it has got a lot of meaning as per our acharyas. They say Yellarum Pondaro means it is everyone has the eligibility to seek the God, not the poor or rich, not the educated or uneducated, not the somebody born from a higher caste or lower caste, not from this country or that country. Everyone, the lady or man or woman, child or man, everybody has got the right to seek, has got the eligibility to seek the God. So that is why Yellarum Pondaro. So that means everyone has the eligibility, and whoever is eligible, did they come? All our friends. So she is asking. Then outside they are saying Pondar Pondennikol. So please come out and count yourself. That means they say no one should be left behind. So you count and ensure that everyone joins us. So we don't want to leave anybody behind. We want to leave somebody outside specifically. It is not good. It is apacharam. We should not leave anybody outside. We have to take everybody, all the like-minded people inside for the Kainkaryam to Lord Krishna. So it is very important. That is why all our children, we don't want to leave any one of you. All of you, every week we are performing and enjoying your great recitations and slokas and the song bhajans, stories, etc., etc. So it's very nice, and thank you children. Hope you have understood these things. Thank you very much for patiently listening. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.